this is how we jive mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know your iPhone 14 is original or not, or refurbished or used. How you can do that, and in which case you want to do this. If you buy some phone in cheaper online, or you have bought some phone from your friends or family member, to check is original or not and how much guarantee and other things you have. Very easy process. In this case, you have to go to setting option. In setting option, go inside. Here you have many information. You have to find this information. This called general. Go inside general. This is the first one, about phone. Hit this one. In about phone, you will see all the information about your phone. Your serial number is written. So in this case, serial number, we have this one. You have to copy the serial number, not model number. Touch, you tap here, copy. Now go out from here. You have to open any browser, Google Chrome, Safari, whatever. You have to go to this page, checkcoverage.apple.com. Serial number you have to paste here. When you type, touch, paste is appear, and you have to put the code. You have to write this code to verify you're human. After that, hit submit button. So here information appear, iPhone 14 Plus, purchase date November 2022, last year, and the serial number. Coverage, limited warranty, I still have your coverage, include the following benefits. Hardware service, get Apple certified repair and service at Apple Store without authorized provider. Chat and phone number, and all the information I can have. So I have coverage on this phone. This is original iPhone I have bought from Apple Spain. So this page you can see your iPhone is new or refurbished. All the information should appear here, and purchase that and all the things. It's very simple, guys. So after that you can stay relaxed. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.